In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft Bedrock server for free. So what you'll have to do, simply go and open a browser, and you'll have to go to the URL section and simply just go and type minecraft.net/download/server. Go and hit the enter button, and this should take you right here. So you'll have to go and basically look for Bedrock Edition. For example, it's giving me per default the Java edition. So you can go and look for the Bedrock, or I'll just go here into the URL again and just type download example, the Minecraft server, and so server, and just go and add Bedrock. So yeah, click on the first link, and this should take you an example to the Bedrock. Now you'll have to go and choose an example. Do you want to download this on Linux or Windows? Totally up to you. So click on I agree and make sure to download it. Once this is downloaded, they'll basically give you a zip file. You'll have then to go and extract and configure the files. This is a very annoying thing for a person that is not tech heavy. So keep that in mind. So I'm just going here to click on download. And once this is downloaded, of course, for you, you'll have to go and zip it. For me, I'm just gonna keep it like there. I'm just going to close this and open this. So in here, you'll have to, once you unzip the folder, you'll have to go to server properties, as you can see right here. Once you open it up, you can open it with whatever you want, with Notepad, with Visual Code. Let's just go and open it with Visual Code. Why not? So once it's opened, you should find an example these things here. You'll be able to customize a lot of things. You can go and look for, sorry, I'm just going to close this. You can look for max players example. You will be able to customize this. You can go and customize the game mode. So game mode example, where is it? Like here we are, survival. You can go and change that. And also you'll be able to customize the level name. Not like leave, so level name. Also an example like here, we have Bedrock level. You can go and change it to Word. And once you change all of that, just go and save the file by hitting Ctrl S. So now you can go and close that. Now you can go, an example, and launch your server. You can double click on the bedrock server.exe, and basically the console will open, and this means your server is live on your local network. You'll have to keep the window open while playing. And of course, when asked, click on allow access, because it will ask you, or the firewall will ask you to allow access. Also make sure the port like 19.13.2 probably, which is the default one, is open in your router. If you want your friends to join you online for safe sharing, use a servers like ngrok if you don't want an example to port forward. And yeah, on your device example, you can just go and open your Minecraft Bedrock as an example on your phone and tap on play, then servers, add a server, and you'll have just to enter your local PC IP address. Go and get the IP address, and for the ports, you'll have to use the same port that you see as example once you set up the server, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.